Alright, go ahead.
Video?
Yeah.
Where you just were?
Don't break a leg,
I
Krensel.
really don't want to do it.
Oh, you got it. You got
It's
it.
so silly.
It's not as high as it seems from up top.
How did you jump? You jumped like with your knees down?
Just landed some soft stuff.
Okay, I'll get out of your way so you can jump. You sure? You'll make a new aisle, okay.
Here we are in the Winter Games of the Olympics.
Jackie Krensel getting ready to go.
Yep. This is the
Oh!
Yeah!
I love you. That was awesome.
They say 10. I give it a 10.
Yep. We give her a 10.
Oh my god, that was
I think she might take home the gold medal.